50 added sugar smoothies that actually taste delicious. Newsflash: you don't need to load your smoothie up with flavored yogurt, fruit juice, or honey to make it taste great. On its own, most fruit is actually sweet enough, and if it isn't, you can always get a flavor boost with a scoop of vanilla no sugar added protein powder. Look for powders that are sweetened with clean ingredients, like stevia, instead of artificial sweeteners. Here, 5 perfectly sweet sips that won't send you into a sugar shock. Cherry almond chocolate: cherries alone are actually super sweet, and adding chocolatey cocoa powder to the mix, unsweetened, obviously, makes this good-for-you smoothie taste more like a milkshake. Makes 1 serving. 1 c frozen cherries. 1/4 c raw almonds. 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon coconut oil. 3/4 c unsweetened almond milk. Pumpkin ginger. If you love doing the whole seasonal pumpkin thing without resorting to a pumpkin spice latte, try this. Fresh ginger gives pumpkin puree plenty of flavor, while vanilla no sugar added protein powder sweetens it up. Makes 1 serving. 1 c pumpkin puree. 1 c baby spinach. 1 scoop vanilla no sugar added whey protein powder. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger. 3/4 c unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Sweet green smoothies made with plain yogurt and berries can taste super tart without a drizzle of honey or some orange juice. But when you stick with super sweet fruit like bananas and pineapple, you don't need to add any other sweetener. Makes 1 serving. 1 med frozen banana. 1/2 c frozen pineapple chunks. 1 c baby spinach. 1 c plain full-fat yogurt. 1 teaspoon spirulina, optional. 1/4 to 1/2 c cold water. Blueberry vanilla. Like cherries, blueberries are pretty sweet on their own. But adding vanilla extract and vanilla no sugar added protein powder to the mix trick your taste buds into thinking you added sugar, since the flavor is always associated with sweet things. Makes 1 serving. 1 and 1/4 c frozen blueberries. 1 scoop vanilla no sugar added whey protein powder. 1 tablespoon cashew butter. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 3/4 c unsweetened almond milk. Nutrition: per serving, 318 calories, 20 grams pro, 38 grams carb, 9 grams fiber, 22 grams sugar, 11 grams fat, 2 grams sat fat, 193 milligrams sodium. Mary Grace Taylor. Like vanilla, cinnamon makes sweet apples seem even sweeter. Pink Lady or Fuji apples give a nice balance of sweetness and tartness. But if you want your smoothie to taste like you added a big spoonful of honey, try a honey crisp apple instead. Makes 1 serving. 1 med apple, cored and chopped. 2 tablespoons ground flaxseed. 1 and 1/2 tablespoon almond butter. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 3/4 c fat-free milk.